Okay. It's raining out of there. It's raining, and we're gonna go launch an old spot. This is the Barge Canal. Good old barge. Make sure that the car is locked. Okay. See if we can get on something. This is the top of the incoming tide. Has that gator, caution gator mark. Don't like that. Don't like gators. We're on the north side of the power plant this time. Look at this water. Okay, we got top waters. We got everything set up here. Pretty windy, but we're gonna get out there anyhow. We're protected by these islands here. Let's get out and hit it. I'm with that fire. I believe this is deep enough now. One thing I do like about this Outback, it is fast. Yeah. Especially paddling. All right. Where's we going? But I got a redfish. Hey, finally, huh? Beautiful. Yeah. Is he a keeper? He might be, and yes, it's finally pays off. He's pretty out here keep. Put him on a board. Maybe he'll stretch out to be 18. But close, but no cigar. All right, buddy. All right. Come on, relax. Finally, we got a redfish to take. And he's not big enough. He doesn't want to rest on the board. He don't like the board, I guess. But that was a pretty good fight for that little guy. He fooled me. Yeah, 16 and a half. All right, buddy. Okay. Wow, I didn't even get a good look at him. So here he is, 16 redfish, 16 and a half. Took that mamba mullet. big enough? He might make the field. Nah, he's not a little guy. I'll tell you what. He's a fatter one. Third one of the day. Windy as hell. Alright. It's a little guy. 17. An inch shy. Just inch shy and yeah. Stupid windy out here. It's taking a shit on me. Golly, I got pliers, don't I? Let's see if I can get an upgrade. Yes. Man, these little guys are fighting pretty dang hard. Here you go, Mr. Red. Get back in there. First fish on the spoon, and it's a trout. Ooh. Good trout. Ah! Lost him. Hey. Got a duck right here at the corner. Oh, lost him. That's my luck today. That's my luck. I'm hanging out here now. Second loss. He was on it. Nice red. Red. Oh. Yeah. Now, buddy. That's a nice red. Must be bull red. Where's the net? Hey, what I've been looking for. What the hell happened here? Okay. Pretty damn good. Now I need to get on. net might not even be good enough. Get him anyway. Sheesh. That's a bull red. Oh yeah. This is why I come to Yankee Town. Oh yeah, big red. Let's get a nice picture. Beautiful fish. Bull red. Okay. Oh boy. Let's not give up. Let's not giving up. Beautiful red, look at that. Okay, we got him on the net. He barely fits the net, so he might be another 30-inch red. Let's see. Boy, he took that mamba mullet. Oh yeah, barely fits in the net. That's a bull red, boy. Okay, buddy. Wow, he's thick. He's a thick one. Sheesh. Oh, so much for the net. Okay. Okay, you a bruiser. Right in the lip. Oh boy. Just get you out the net. Oh, buddy. Don't you do that to me. Let's see. Nope, not even 30. Yeah, 20. 29 and a half. Bull red. Not like my 30-inch one, but he's fatter. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I'll take a picture of him. Take a picture with him. Wait, don't go yet, buddy. You got my pliers. My pliers. Get my pliers, buddy. You ready to go, though, huh? There you go.